When you search for the best wood-burning stove with blower, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Jossa Kohler Heat-Powered Fan. First up is the Jossa Kohler Wood Stove Fan, priced at just $25.99. What caught my attention? It's a bestseller with over 3,200 reviews and an impressive 4.3-star rating. If you want to maximize heat distribution from your wood stove without any hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this fan is a solid choice. It runs on heat, meaning no batteries are required. With an airflow capacity of 150 cubic feet per minute, it really helps spread warmth throughout the room. Plus, the upgraded aluminum blades are designed to last longer and distribute heat more evenly. Imagine cozying up in your living room, no cold spots in sight thanks to this little gadget. And it operates at a whisper quiet level under 25 dB, perfect for when you're trying to relax or catch some sleep. Now, some people have mentioned that it may not work as effectively on small stoves. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized wood stove, you should be just fine. It may not be perfect for everyone, but it is definitely a great addition for most setups. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to improve heat circulation in your home. Skip this one if you have a very small or unique stove configuration. At this price, it's a great value for the warmth it provides. Product number 2, Guide Gear Portable Wood Stove. Next on the list is the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove, retailing at $139.99. I was impressed by its versatility, making it ideal for everything from cooking to heating outdoor spaces. If you're looking for a solid wood stove for your next camping trip, this one deserves a closer look. It's portable, weighing 42.4 pounds and features detachable legs and interlocking pipes for easy transport. Imagine being out in the wilderness, cooking a hearty meal while staying warm. This stove can do that. Plus, it can burn kindling wood to ensure you have warmth during chilly nights. However, a few users felt it could be a bit heavy for solo backpackers. But honestly, if you're camping with a group, this is a great asset to have. It's built for durability and functionality, making it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor cooking and need reliable heat. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for solo hiking. For the price, it delivers excellent performance for outdoor enthusiasts. Product number 3, GODSAX Rocket Stove. Now let's talk about the GODSAX Rocket Stove, priced at just $49.99. Its compact design really caught my eye, and it's rated 4.5 stars from nearly 800 reviews. If you need something lightweight for outdoor cooking, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this rocket stove special is its structural design that creates a chimney effect, which boosts combustion efficiency. Weighing only 5.62 pounds, it comes with a storage bag for easy portability. It's perfect for cooking up meals in the great outdoors without needing heavy fuel supplies. One flaw that some users pointed out is that the setup can be a bit finicky. But here's the deal, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency and portability more than make up for it. If you're someone who loves spontaneity while camping, this stove fits right in. This is perfect for you if you're a camper who values both lightweight gear and cooking versatility. Skip this if you need a stove for heavy-duty use or extended trips. For the price, it's a fantastic investment for outdoor cooking. Product number 4, FuBC Fireplace Bellows. The fourth product is the FuBC Brown Wood Fireplace Bellows, which is a steal at $9.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, this simple tool caught my attention for its effectiveness. If you need an easy way to get your fire going without blowing into it, this is worth checking out. These bellows are made from solid wood and come with a zinc cast nozzle, allowing you to produce a powerful stream of air. The design is user-friendly, just hold the handle and pump away. This can help you manage your fire without the embarrassment of blowing into it directly. It's perfect for fireplaces, fire pits, and even outdoor cooking. However, some users noted that the nozzle can be a bit unsteady when pumping. But honestly, for this price, it does the job well enough. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective fire starter, this will work wonders. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and effective tool to help start your fires. Skip this if you need something more robust for larger setups. At under $10, it's a fantastic value for the ease it brings. Product number 5, VODA Wood Stove Fan. Finally, we have the VODA Wood Stove Fan available for $21.99. With a solid 4.1-star rating from 13,900 reviews, this fan is designed to enhance your wood stove experience. If you want to maximize warmth in your home efficiently, this is a product worth your attention. The VODA fan features 8 blades, which help distribute warm air quickly and evenly throughout the room. Operating between 176 degrees F and 653 degrees F, this fan really takes full advantage of your stove's heat. Plus, it comes with a thermometer to monitor temperatures and even an aroma pod for a touch of fragrance. Some users did mention that over time, the fan may need some maintenance as it can accumulate dust. But look, if you're diligent about keeping it clean, it's a small trade-off for the comfort it provides. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to keep your home warm and cozy. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional heating method without any tech. At this price, it's an excellent value for a comfortable living space. So to recap, we've covered the Jossa Kohler fan for efficient heat distribution, the Guide Gear Stove for outdoor cooking, the lightweight GODSAX rocket stove for camping, the Fubisi bellows for easy fire management, and the VODA fan for maximizing warmth. Each of these products has its strengths, and depending on your needs, any of them could be a great fit. Thanks for tuning in.